I believe this course is the most efficient crash course ever created for really understanding AWS and all its services. Hi, I'm Matthias Anderson. I've taught hundreds of thousands of people the nitty-gritty of cloud engineering and the ins and outs of professional cloud architecture. And code I've written professionally is run on approximately 1 billion computers around the world, literally, not figuratively. But in this highly efficient crash course, I will teach you how to understand and take advantage of Amazon Web Services, AWS. I interact with a lot of technology professionals, and although I do see a lot of people using their tools incorrectly, the biggest mistake I see is people using the wrong tools for the job and wasting literally years of effort. By the end of this course, you'll gain a strong sense for the different Amazon Web Services and how you can use them like superpowers. You will not deeply understand each one, but you will hear about every single one and be able to identify the right tool for a great many situations. And regardless of whether you are already a tech professional, insight like this can only help you move forward. To be clear, if you are an AWS novice, you'll get to learn how this platform has fundamentally changed the game of building technology systems, making it possible now for a single person, maybe like yourself, to quickly accomplish what used to take huge teams of people years to bumble clumsily through. If you are an AWS expert, you'll fill in gaps that you have in your understanding of AWS. You'll learn how to break down and pass the hardest certification exam questions, and you'll be introduced to many AWS services you probably didn't even know existed. Both groups will benefit greatly from the fact that this course touches on every single AWS service. The AWS ecosystem is so broad that it can be quite overwhelming. But by getting a short commentary on each and every service, you'll gain a sense for when that service may be worth your time to investigate more deeply. This course is recommended for all people targeting any AWS certification exam, and it's taught by someone who not only scored 100% on my first AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam, but also smashed many more AWS exams after that and coached many others to do the same. All of the AWS exams require you to understand the design of the ecosystem, and almost all of them require you to have broad familiarity with the different services. Sure, maybe not all 275 of them, or whatever the count is up to right now when you watch this, but still quite many of them. So, to sum it all up, if you have any interest in succeeding with AWS, this course is for you. So, if that all sounds good to you, please join me in what I believe is the most efficient crash course ever created for really understanding AWS. I'll see you in the next video.